How to trim video in CapCut PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So if you want to trim video in CapCut PC, you first have to import the video that you want to trim. So for that, you can head over to import and then import a file from here. As you can see, I have already done that. So this is my video that I want to trim. Now, the first thing you can do to trim a video is to simply drag it from the end like this. So when you do that, you have automatically trimmed that video. So you can also do this from the beginning. All you have to do is put your cursor right at the beginning of the video and then drag it, and that's going to trim it. Now, if you want to trim the middle part of the video, then you simply have to drag this line that you can see. So you want to drag it to the place where you want to split the video, or the place that you want to end the video. And now click on this split icon, and here you can see there are two different parts now. So if you don't need this second part, you can simply click on the delete button right here and then delete this part, and only the part that you want will be here in the video. After this, you can save your video by clicking on this export button. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.